up, my fans? Me here with another video. Today I will be opening up a jumbo box. Let's get into it. This is the box that we're going to be opening. Get it out. So we got this box that we will be opening. So first we got this Jumbo EX. It's a real card, just like all my other ones. And yeah, let's get to the next one. We got Rotom. It's a shiny in the code card. And the Cyclaza EX. It's a real, just like the Jumbo one. And yeah, here are the packets we'll be opening. The first packet we'll be opening is the Silver Tempest. We opening up this pack. Okay, open it. Okay, open up this pack. I wonder what we're gonna get, because I hope we get a good card like a full art. The full arts are what we're looking for. Code card away. Solosis, Zubat, Elegant, Fungus, Sandygast, Swirlix, Forest Seal Stone, Energy, Braixen, and the Lunapi, and the Serena. The next pack we're going to be opening is a Scarlet and Violet pack. Let's open this up. This is how we open up Pokemon packs. Okay. We just grab. I just really want to pull out, bro. We still have, after this we have 2 more packs. Like, if you go back, rewind this video, and then you'll see that how many packs there were. Put that one there. Starly, Tarantula, Megamite, Pinico, Vachili Band, Toxtricity, Mushhold, Lucario, Primeape, and Donozo, regular holo, and the Energy. The next pack we're going to be opening is this Lost Origin Sword and Shield. Okay, let's open it up. That's how you open it up. The packet. There's a little hole there. Became a bigger hole. Yep, let's open. We've opened it up. The Lost Origin pack that we're trying to open. Sword and Shield. Let's hopefully get a good pull. Okay. The Primatump. The gold card put that on. Primatump. Midshake. Kuzu. Electride. Murkrow. Shuppet. Beauty Fly. I don't know why it's a beauty. Mimikyu. Another Mimikyu. Energy. Thoroton. Roserade. And Fantina. And the last pack will be the Scarlet and Violet pack. It's a Scarlet and Violet pack. Okay. My favorite. I think all of the packs are my favorite, but the best pack that I like is Thin Crown Zenith. Code card over there. Go here, Kirilla. There's Kirilla. Switch. Fuecoco. Tropius. Oh. Rock Chestplate. Sentin. Team Star Grunt, Pulmo, Pokeball, Hawlucha, and a basic Energy. Okay guys, I think we've had enough for today. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and like my videos. Bye guys!